Hi, I'm Rusty with Pine Street Market, here today at Big Green Egg, and I want to show you my version of a slow roasted pork belly. So this is a pork belly from Riverview Farms up in Ranger, Georgia. Just the more humane the better on something like this. You can really taste the meaty, nutty fat, and it's full of flavor. So to help speed up the process and to get the seasoning into the belly, we're going to score it. And by just doing these slashes in the top of the fat, we're just cutting maybe something like that deep. Just long, even strokes. And this is a good time to remind people not to be behind you. So these good slashes into the belly will help the seasoning penetrate. It'll also hold the seasoning as it cooks and as that fat renders. So we're going to come in with our kosher salt. And I always use kosher salt because it won't clump. The iodinized table salt will glop up with the water, and this is a time that you really want some good sea salt or good kosher salt. And then we're going to use some of our summer spice, our herb rub, right on top, and really rub that in. Oh, it looks really good. And then when we go out to the egg, we're going slow and low with this. So we're doing it about 250 for about 2 hours. To an internal temperature of 165. And when we cook, we want to make sure the fat side is up, just like when we're doing pork butter brisket, so all that beautiful fat melts into the meat as it cooks. So we've got our egg set at 225 indirect heat. That way we can do our bellies slow and low for about 2 hours. So we're going to open our egg. We've got a drip pan in here to catch our beautiful fat. We're going fat side up, so that fat melts in with those spices and helps baste the belly as it cooks. We're positioned perfectly over our drip pan. We're going to close it. We're going to check it in about an hour. Our slow roasted pork belly has hit a temperature of 170. We've let it rest for about 10 minutes to let all the juices settle inside so they don't pour out as we slice. It almost looks like a pork belly brisket if that was a thing. But look at this, just these amazing ribbons of fat with that pearly white meat. While our egg was heating up, we grilled some corn, some baby Yukon Gold potatoes, some Brussels sprouts to go along with this pork belly. But this stuff, look at that, it just cuts so easy straight through. Crisp some of this up in a cast iron skillet, serve it as is. Either way, rich, buttery, you can really taste that humane heritage breed pork flavor from Riverview Farms in Ranger, Georgia. Again, my name is Rusty Bowers with Pine Street Market, here today at Big Green Egg, and please check out more of our videos at biggreenegg.com. Thank you. Thank you for watching.